King's is an amazing place to study. We have great links with research and amazing lecturers as well, who all have a wealth of experience in the profession, so they can always bring something new to the table when we're in lectures or seminars or even our skills sessions. So it was really nice to have all of these elements brought together and then being able to take that into practice in such amazing places.
We have world-class facilities with simulation and mannequins to replicate the ward area and to replicate different types of procedures that you would be expected to do on clinical placement.
So you will rotate from different specialities and you get to spend a lot of time with the children and their families.
You work very closely with families, so the parents and carers are very central to the care that you provide to the child.
We also get to have so much fun. I like to watch films and play games with the children, just sitting down and talking to them and seeing how they are. It's just getting on their level and understanding how they're feeling.
As children's nurses, we have to be able to understand child development, understand policies and the legal aspects of being a children's nurse. You can be working on the ward as a staff nurse and develop your skills to becoming a ward manager, work in the community. Other nurses have gone into research, so they've come back and done their PhD, and they're impacting evidence-based practice.
So from day one, you'll be coming to our Faculty Welcome Week, where you'll find out about the faculty and your programme. You'll be meeting with key members of the staff, and we'll be telling you all about the support and resources that are available to you as a student.
I absolutely adore working. They are long shifts, 12.5 hours, but every shift that I work, there's always something new to learn.
We're having practitioners that are having that extra skill of being critical, looking at policies, looking at guidelines, and looking at evidence-based practice.